Before our stories were written out of history, we were already healing. As Black History Month approaches, Hidden Healers invite you to uncover the powerful, often overlooked legacy of African American healing, medicine, faith, and community care. This book honors the midwives, herbalists, caregivers, nurses, faith leaders, and everyday people who sustain generations, often without recognition, protection, or credit. Their wisdom blends science, spirituality, resilience, and love long before the world acknowledged their contributions. Hidden Healers is more than a historical account. It is a remembrance, it is restoration, it is resistance through healing. If you care about Black history, health equality, ancestral wisdom, faith, and or the future of whole person healing, this book is for you. You can get your copy of Healing Healers. It is in the description. Let us remember what was hidden and reclaim the healing that has always been ours.